Okay, I'm gonna do the unboxing of this packet that I got from Beauty Society. And the reason why I got involved in this one is because of the product that is unique in their company, which I am looking for. Number one, it's vegan. Number two, it's edible because it's fermented. If you guys know what I'm talking about, it's hyaluronic acid, which we put in our skin. So it's topical, but this one, it's gonna be edible. And I'm very excited because I look around, even in Amazon, guys, I even look around, I cannot find exactly the same product like that. But anyway, let's proceed. So I have this, so they gave me this advisor product guide. I have saving face. I don't typically sign up for this stuff, but because of the ingredients and necessity that I need, and this is it. So this is the infused, they call it, sorry, infused inner skin treatment. This will be in Safe Fabulosa eventually. So it's under discussion. What else? There's so much bubble. So caffeinated botanical eye cream. Wow, that's pretty exciting. Okay, what else? Lots and lots of this. Oh, I got this one. What is this? So Wort lip plumber. And I like the color too, light pink. What else? That's it. I got. Okay, and the rest are micro tiny little noodles. Okay, so this is my excitement, this one, and I'm gonna create a lot of videos and more videos about this. Stay tuned.